This is called Mary's Rock. It's not right on the Appalachian Trail. It's a little bit of a, well, it's only 0.1, but it's 0.1 straight up to it. It's supposed to be near 90 today. I was thinking about skipping this 0.1, but I remember the view was pretty good. See the parkway down there? And, that formation is Mary's Rock, the tallest one. Got a nice sunrise this morning. We hit the trail real early. Really beautiful out here today. That was blue looking into the valley of Luray. We stayed in that town and slack packed out of it with our friend Hard Rock.